This is Colonel Gregorio Kilat. I am on escape and evasion. This looks like a good place to hide. So I'm just going to wait here for the rescue team to arrive. So here's the mission. I need to be rescued by the rescue team, or else the rebel force will be able to capture me. They need to secure a black box that's located somewhere up there. Of course, are now walking. Those are enemies. Those are bullets right there, right there. They're just right there. They are not friendlies. They are not friendlies. Fuck. Where are my... I need to... Please don't shoot. 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 Don't shoot.
Can you move? Can you move?
No. 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 No.
Are you armed?
No. No. My feet hurts. My feet hurts. My feet hurts.
I need you.
Bang, bang, bang. Bang, bang, bang.
Freeze! Freeze! Don't move! Put
You're
your
already dead. Both of you are dead. Both of you are dead.
Okay, okay.
Both of you are dead.
Damn it.
Stay down. Stay down.
Wait, let me play that here.
Stay down.
I never should have given you that gun.
Give me your gun. Paano tanggalin? Giatay ka.
What, my gun?
Na.
Okay, ikaw na.
Both of you are dead. I'm impaired. To get the black box. Here's the black box. Don't shoot, don't shoot. Don't shoot. Don't shoot, don't shoot. Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Don't shoot, don't shoot. Don't shoot. Don't shoot, don't shoot, don't shoot.
Are you injured?
Yes. Yes, sir. Who are you?
Are you Captain? Are you Captain Turbanes?
Yes, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. We're the rescue team. You're safe now.
Sir, kindly remove the black box. It's up.
Where's the black
It's
box?
at my back.
Okay, okay. Okay. What is your injury?
On the left leg, sir, near the knee.
Okay.
I have a broken
Broken?
ribs, about 3 or 4 left side, broken arm left side.
Okay. Arm, rib, and
Leg, sir,
leg.
left side.
Left side.
Yes,
Left
sir.
side. All in the left side. Oh, secure na. Okay. Administering first aid. Turbanes. Asa man? Hoy kuan. Walay. Splint. Ayun na. Saan na natin?
Sir, do you have water?
Water sa way?
Part B,
Ano?
part B sa administering sa first aid, painom ng water daw. Sorry, sir, I'm unable to move. I'm so
Okay.
tired. I escape and
okay.
evade. I killed 2 of 4.
Okay, copy. Here. Gani. Secure the perimeter ha. Vince, ngadto Vince. Oh, ikaw na lang. Ngadto. Okay. Okay. Rib fracture man ka, grabe hag fracture nimo eh.
Lagi sir, na kuan pagkahulog sa helicopter sir ba? Ambak ng yugo. Nibuto lagi sir. Nagani na-recover ang black box.
Okay. Vince, kinsa
Sir,
pangalan niya?
Di extract location. Mao ni siya sir.
This is the extraction.
Oh, kanang balay diya sir.
Okay. Bro. Here. Secure the black box. Okay. Secure the perimeter, secure the black box. I'm securing the VIP now. Kanina lang ha.
Bati, oh,
na.
bati lang nga.
Splint nga.
Okay nga.
Pasok na siyang kwando.
Ano?
Ako, ipaipit lang.
Yeah. Can you move your left arm and right leg? Huh?
Right leg.
Right leg.
Yes sir.
Can you move?
Yes sir.
Right arm.
Yes sir.
Okay. The extraction point is there. Kana nga balay, mo na extraction point.
Shit.
Asan to radio ta? Napay radio. Ano to na to?
Ako wala di singgit tagi mo bar nagabot na ko dito.
Come.
Instruction point now
Let's proceed to the extraction.
for the enemy workshop.
Okay. Okay. Wako man ni kada agig VIP gud. Real Vince. Real, okay. Nganto kaluyo. VIP extraction ngani kaluyo. Okay. Dali. Are we clear? Okay. Okay.
Clear? All clear?
Clear.
Clear?
Down. Okay.
And game over. Singgit na.
Game over.